In this video, we're going to complete the square on this quadratic equation to get the vertex form of the equation of a parabola. The example that we'll be doing is complete the square to graph f of x equals x squared minus 4x plus 2. Our first step is to rewrite the function as y equals. We know that we can take f of x out and put in y. So we have y equals, and also in this step I usually like to group my first two terms and then move my constant term a little bit over to the right, because I'm going to work on this group for the completing the square part of the problem. Right. Now I want to half the x coefficient. My x coefficient is -4, so I want to take half of that. So that gives me a -2. Then square the result. That gives me 4. And then add and subtract this number from the right side. So I'm going to add and subtract 4 from the right side. When I complete the square, I'm actually working with this trinomial here in the front, and then with the two constant terms in the back. So completing the square on this trinomial in front, we know that those become, this is x squared, so the square root of x squared is x. And then I need the sign of the middle term, which is minus. And then the square root of the last term in the trinomial is 2. So this is my binomial squared. And then when I combine these two terms, I get -2. This number right here, x minus h. H is the x coordinate of my vertex, and then this is k plus k. Vertex is a +2 and a -2. So my axis of symmetry is x equal 2, and my a equals 1, so opens up, and it's just the basic graph. So my vertex is the first thing you graph. It's at 2, -2. My axis of symmetry is x equal 2, which is right here. My parabola opens up, and since a equals 1, it's just the same size as the basic parabola, which we know y equals x squared. When I move to the right 1 from my vertex, I go up 1. And when I move to the left 1, I go up 1. When I move right 2, I go up 4. And when I move left 2, I go up 4. So this is my parabola.